Hi there, all you hustlers and go-getters. If you're anything like me, you wake up every morning with a burning desire to crush your goals. But let's face it, sometimes we all need a little kickstart on how to market our service-based business. Am I right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into 5 game-changing hacks that will turbocharge your business. So hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's get into it. All right, guys. Hack number 1. Stop selling the how and start selling the wow. You see, people don't care about the nuts and bolts of what you do. They care about the transformation you could bring into their life. You're not just a web designer, you're a dream architect. You're not just building websites, you're building empires. Make them see that, and boom, you've got a client who's ready to rock. Moving on to hack number 2. Use the voice of your customers as your anthem. Guys, word of mouth isn't just old school, it's gold school. Collect those high fives, the rave reviews, and put them on your digital billboard, your website, your social media. When people see others cheering for you, they'll want to be a part of that winning team. Hack number 3. This is your secret weapon: content marketing. Remember, you're the expert, the sensei, the go-to guy in your field. Share that wisdom, answer those burning questions people have, and you're not just gaining followers, you're building an army of advocates. Blog it, podcast it, just get it out there. Are you ready for number 4? All right, listen up, because this is big. The marketing funnel. Imagine you're dating, right? You wouldn't ask someone to marry you on the first date. No, you take it step by step. It's the same with your clients. Warm them up, offer value, and when the time's right, they'll be begging to do business with you. It's not just about selling, it's about building a relationship. Last, but definitely not least, hack number 5. Become the king of local search. SEO isn't just alphabet soup. It's the roadmap that leads customers straight to your door. And don't forget Google My Business. That's the golden ticket to being the local hero everyone calls when they need help. All right, guys, there you have it. 5 rock solid hacks to take your service-based business from zero to hero. Now, what are you waiting for? Get out there, own your success. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and let me know in the comments what you're going to conquer first. Remember, you got a unique talent that only you can provide to the world. So make that count. See you next time. Keep crushing it. That's a wrap. And remember, make it engaging, make it energetic, and above all, make it yours. Have a great day.